solve some problems here. If the system of linear equations above has no solution and k is a constant, what is the value of k? So when a system of linear equations has no solution, and that means the two lines are parallel, therefore their slopes are equal. So all we have to do is we rewrite each of the linear equations here in its slope intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So let's rewrite them. So we have 3/4 x minus 1/2 y equals 12. We subtract 3/4 x from both sides. Okay, then this cancels out. So we have negative 1/2 y equals negative 3/4 x plus 12. And then dividing both sides by negative 1/2, the equation would become y equals negative 3/4 x over negative 1/2 plus 2 over negative 1/2. So this is just equal to 6 over 4x minus, this is 12. So this is minus 24. So this is our first equation. Now let's rewrite the second equation in the same form, the slope intercept. We can reduce 6 over 4 here by 3/2 since they are both divisible by 2. So we can write the first equation as 3 over 2x minus 24. Now let's work on the second equation. So that would be kx minus 2y equals 22. And subtracting kx from both sides, we have negative 2y equals negative kx plus 22. And then we divide negative 2. We divide both sides by negative 2. So our equation would be k over 2x minus 11. So now we've already written the two equations into its slope intercept form. So our second equation is y equals k over 2x minus 11. Now we can equate their slopes. Since the slope of equation 1 is just equal to the slope of equation 2 because they are parallel, the two lines are parallel. So the slope for equation 1 is 3/2. That is equal to the slope of the second equation, which is k over 2. And now we can solve for k. We can multiply both sides by 2. So this would be 3 times 2 over 2 equals k times 2 over 2. 2 cancels out. Therefore, k is just equal to 3. So the answer here is letter C. If 1/4 x equals 5 minus 1/2 y, what is the value of x plus 2y? So what are we going to do here to find the value of x plus 2y? So the first thing we do is to group together those terms that have x and y in it. So that means we need to move negative 1/2 y to the left. So we have 1/4 x equals 5 minus 1/2 y. We add 1/2 y to both sides. So this cancels out. So we have 1/4 x plus 1/2 y equals 5. Since x plus 2y doesn't have any fractions, so we can get rid of the fractions here. we can multiply both sides by 4. So this would be equal to 4 times 1/4 is just 1. So this is just x, plus 4 times 1/2, that is 4 over 2y. So this is 2y. 4 times 5 equals 20. And now we have x plus 2y equals 20. Therefore, x plus 2y is just equal to 20. The answer here is 20. If x to the n is the simplified form of the expression above, what is the value of n? So we're given this expression here. Square root of x times x to the 5 over 6 times x over cube root of x. So how are we going to solve for n here? So the first thing we do is we just have to simplify everything. That is by rewriting the radicals as fraction. So we can write square root of x as x to the 1/2, and then we can write cube root of x as x to the 1/3. So let's write the expression, the new expression now. So this is just x to the 1/2 times x to the 5/6 times x over x to the 1/3. So let's simplify the terms in the numerator first. Since we have the same basis here, and by the law of exponents, we just have to add the exponents if the terms have the same basis. So this would become, our numerator would become x to the 1/2 plus 5 to the 6 plus 1, because the exponent here is just equal to 1 over x to the 1/3. Now 1/2 plus 5/6 plus 1. Can get the LCD here, which is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 5. 6 divided by 1 is 6 times 1 plus 6. 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is just 14 over 6. So this is x to the 14 over 6 over x to the 1/3. And by using the division rule from the law of exponents, when dividing terms of the same basis, we just have to subtract the exponents. So that would be, this one would become x to the 14th over 16 over 6 minus 1/3. Okay, 14 over 6 minus 1/3 is just equal to 12 over 6. Therefore, this expression here is just equal to x to the 12 over 6, and 12 over 6 is just equal to 2. So this one is equal to x squared. Therefore, the value of n here, from x to the n, the value of n is equal to 2. And that is our answer. In the figure above, the area of the shaded region is 52 square units. What is the height of the larger triangle? So the area of the shaded region here, area of, okay, is just equal to the area of the larger triangle minus the area of the smaller triangle. To solve for the area of a triangle, we use the formula area equals 1/2 times base times height. So let's check on the bases and heights of the two triangles. For the larger triangle, our base here, okay, it's given, which is equal to 12. Our height our height here is just the height of the smaller triangle, this one, plus this one, plus this one. So that is 3 plus, okay, we don't know the height of the smaller triangle, so we can just let x be the height of the smaller triangle. So that would be 3 plus x plus 3. And for the smaller triangle, we're given the base, which is equal to 8. Okay, this is the base, and the height, which we don't know, is equal to x. And now we can plug in everything to here, to our equation, in finding the area of the shaded region. And since we are given the area of the shaded region, which is equal to 52 square units, so that is 52 square units equals the area of the larger triangle, which is 1/2 times the base, which is 12, times the height, which is this one. So this is 6 plus x minus the area of the smaller triangle, which is 1/2 times the base, which is 8, times x. And now let's simplify. So this is just 52 equals 1/2 times 12 is 6. So this is 6 times 6 plus x. 1/2 times 8 is 4. So this is just 4x. Simplifying further, so this is 6 times 6, 36, plus 6x minus 4x. And this would become 52 equals 36 plus 2x, subtracting 36 from both sides. So we have 52 minus is just equal to 16 equals 2x, and divide both sides by 2. Therefore, x is just equal to 8. So the height of the smaller triangle is just equal to 8. Therefore, the height of the larger triangle, larger T, is just 3 plus 8 plus 3. So this is 3 plus 8 plus 3. So that is 8 plus 6, which is just equal to 14. So the answer here is 14, the height of the larger triangle.